Ito po ang unang pagkakataon na natalo ang Philippine Army sa isang set. Di man lang sila naka 10 points. Grabe ang buhos ng Cagayan Valley ng ating first set.
Oh, when you look at the numbers, Cagayan attacks 13 as compared to 6. Blocking. We were talking about it. Hindi makalusot tong offense ng Army. 6 as compared to none. Service, pareho lang. Tapos ang unforced errors Army pa committed more than Cagayan.
Tingnan mo naman yung one error lang para sa Cagayan Valley. 6 blocks. Teritoryo yan nila Ging Balset sa kanila Jovelyn Gonzaga. So kailangan magising dito ang Philippine Army. Yung setting talaga problema nila ngayon.
Yes, that's right. But you know, ganun na. Nandiyan na yung problema. The other players really have to step up. Meaning to say that the offense should just, you know, make the most nasa anong set na makuha nila.
At kung kilala nyo po ito Philippine Army, dadamdamin nila yan at talaga they will come out firing dito sa ating second set. And that's exactly what Michelle Carolino does. Another former league MVP. In fact, they... ano ba yan? Season, ano ba si Mayat? Season 3 yata.
Yeah, parang 3.
Nag-MVP ito si Mayat Carolino. Getting the first point. Of course, the inaugural MVP is also up front ngayon. Itong si Ging Balse. Season 2 MVP is playing for the Meralco Power Spikers, which is Maureen Penetrante. Here is Michelle Carolino. All Carolino so far, but Jonella tracks this down. At si Tabaquero ay pamimigay. Bautista. Mayet, para kay Ging Balse, masyado mababa para kay Ging.
Well, you know, you gotta give it also to Mayet. She's trying. Okay, she's trying.
Natin, Mayet Carolina sat out a long period of time dahil sa isang shoulder tendon tear sa kanyang right shoulder.
Tapos ngayon setter.
Ngayon setter na, so talaga mababanat yan. Gwyneth Eulalio ngayon. Torres. Overreaching. Dapat tinira na lang ni Mayet yun eh.
No, but she's a back row attacker. Back row setter. No, but you know, Army also has to check yung kanilang reception.
Oo.
Hindi makaporma yung mga setters because they're receiving poorly.
Well, 2-1 ngayon. Eulalio. Sharp serve. Shasha Torres. Carolino. Binuhay para dito kay Jovelyn Gonzaga. Iuhulog na lamang. Pomla Soraya ngayon. Combination. Kanik at Tipachot.
Wow.
3 straight points for Cagayan Valley. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
So nothing working para sa Army, pati blocking. You have a Gonzaga. You said
reception.
Oo, tapos sinabi mo nga, blockers like Gonzaga and Balse, they can't even get a decent block.
Right. Tipachot, nakahiga na doon. Hindi tumawid yung bola. At Tipachot, a little gimpy after that one also.
That's right. Pero tao lang siya.
Ayan. Mukha ba taga-Thailand yan? Sabi ko na sa assistant coach lang, mukha ka taga-Cagayan eh. Mukhang Cagayano daw. 3-2, lamang pa rin po ang Rising Suns dito sa ating second set. Ging Balse. Tabaquero, Soraya, Aiza Maiso off the block. Bautista. Back set ngayon, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Nice dig from Soraya. Jonella ngayon, giving it to Tipachot. Ibang klase itong batang to.
Oo. You know, if you're Army, kailangan i-realize mo sa Tipachot, she delays her spikes. You can see here.
Oh.
So the blockers, kailangan magpa-delay rin kayo.
Alam mo, itong si Tipachot, Michelle Gumabaw made a great point na parang si Aragalang, why does Aragalang get so many points sa UAAP? Kasi delayed din yung kanyang mga tira.
Exactly.
Dahil sa kanyang wind-up. Here's Gonzaga. No delay there. And no delay in the defense of Pao Soriano. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down.
You gotta give it also to Cagayan, no? Their middle spike or middle blockers working hard. You have Pao Soriano and Gwyneth Eulalio teaming up. Talaga yung blocking.
Wala pa yung Sandra de los Santos dyan.
Oo.
Dati ring MVP nitong Shakey's V-League. Gonzaga. Yan ang gulang.
Oh. Which is what they need.
Gonzaga, the 21-year-old from Jordan. Jordan ba o Jordan Guimaras? Basta yun yung kapital eh. Doon siya galing eh. Ito ngayon ang serve ni Michelle Carolino. And again, off the block. Bawian lang, sabi ni Angge.
Oo.
Diba, you use my hands, I'll use yours.
Give and take relationship.
And of course, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Shasha Torres, Mayet, going to Nene. Nene cross court, Mintis. Good read actually by Jack Jonella. Hinayaan na niya lumabas.
That's right. Well, Nene Bautista also not able to find a point right now.
Inspired volleyball being played by the Rising Suns. Nice sharp serve galing dito kay Aiza Maiso. Nene Bautista. Maiso. Tipachot. Angge. Gonzaga. Mayet. Nene. Naitawid pa rin ni Nene. Soraya. Angge. And that will go wide.
Okay, finally an error from Cagayan.
They only had one nung first set. Sipin mo, one error.
So ngayon, pantay na.
Tignan natin. Kasi mukhang itong Philippine Army keeping in pace ngayon with the Rising Suns. Nice serve by Gonzaga. Soraya. Pao Soriano. Gonzaga. Nene. Nice block again by Pao. 8-4. Cagayan Valley lamang po kontra sa Philippine Army.
Ito ang Shakey's Billy.